Hey guys, welcome to my channel, 5-minute watch reviews. It's been quite some time since I posted anything, so I need to catch up on that, start doing it more often, but I recently did a purchase on Black Friday, so it finally arrived. And before I do that, I wanted to show you what I'm wearing today, which is Venezianico GMT Crema. This is version 1. So once you see what I have in a box, you'll see that I'll do a review comparison a little bit later. But let's open it up and take a look what we have inside. So I pre-cut it already, kind of. So let's see what's happening here. Some packaging stuff. We got a box here. We got a gift card and another coupon code. We have a nice brochure, Venezian brochure. I think this is the first one like that I have seen. It's pretty nice. I see that there also included an extra strap. Very nice rubber strap, very luxurious and soft. I'm not sure if it will fit me. My wrists are quite large, so we'll see. And now for the main attraction. Let's see what's happening. Let's see what we have. All right. It's a different box. They usually did wooden boxes before, so now they changed this to kind of standard boxes like the other watch companies. But now, wow, it's pretty nice presentation here. And as you can see, I have a GMT watch also with a darker dial and beautiful colors. But wow, look at these colors. Let me take this off. So the old version had, like, I guess painted, but this one has like a crystal, so it looks like, wow, pretty nice as it changes the color. Yeah, wow, nice. It's a cool watch, guys. Looks good. Let's take it out maybe. Yeah. There it is. All right, I'll be doing a review a little bit later in comparison with the first version, and we'll see what happens. But so far, it's looking like very nice color combination. Very nice watch. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Appreciate it. Thank you.